you wanted sympathy, I can tell you it's not clean. If you wanted history, you need someone more than me. I watched quietly, waited for you to turn on me. I said silently, maybe I don't have to leave. I don't care, I won't be a broken bag of memories every time I watch you scream and leave. Should I have to call, then I will find a way to fall. Left behind us with nothing more to say. Fill the silence, just let me wash away. And if we are hopeless, if we are gone, if this is over, let the past belong. I don't care, I won't be a broken bag of memories every time I watch you scream and leave. Is it my fault, should I ask, as I walk on broken glass? Burn my picture, let me find my feet. Maybe you'll find me, tell me you're sorry, tell me you think that I should say, but I won't be waiting. I see our ending, I think we're better off alone. I don't care, I won't be a broken bag of memories every time I watch you scream and leave. Is it my fault, should I ask, as I walk on broken glass? Burn my picture, let me find my feet. And should I have to crawl, then I will find a way to fall. We are so happy to be here today. We'd really like to thank Baz for inviting us to play today, and happy birthday to Baz as well. And we wanted to say, actually, for those of you that don't know, actually, people like Baz, Joel over there, Phil from Phil's studio, they really support the local music scene here, especially local original music. So they really do. Yeah. Thank you. Anyway, we actually have a new song coming out next week. Coming out on Friday. The song is called I Don't Believe. Glenn, you want to talk about how you wrote the instrumentals for this song?
We wanted to write something a bit more nu metal, something grungier, something more stripped down but also heavier, because our setup is a bit more unique, where he does a split chain, so he uses a bass where he plays bass notes, and he puts an octave above the bass note, and then you get like a really full rhythm guitar sound. Whereas I just make like doodles over it. I just over it.
Come to our live shows, it makes more sense.
So I figured like how do I make like a simple like this kind of riff more interesting. So the only valid way to do it as a guitarist is to make it as hard as possible. So I'm stretching like fucking 5 frets, I don't know. Yeah.
More Japanese stuff lah.
Sure. So we don't usually do acoustic shows, but we can show you how it's supposed to sound.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hope you like it. This is called I Don't Believe. It's out on Friday next week. Woo! Woo! fallen, you drag me down this well. lost is all that was real. Don't tell me you need me to breathe. Don't hold on and ask me to leave. Don't stand there and tell me that you're all I need. I love you, but I don't believe. I don't believe. Scar me, 'cause I don't have much to offer. Pull me apart tonight. I won't pretend that I can never see this coming. Maybe this is my hell. My hell! Don't tell me you need me to breathe. Don't hold on and ask me to leave. Don't stand there and tell me that you're all I need. I love you, but I don't believe. I don't believe. Don't tell me you need me to breathe. Don't hold on and ask me to leave. Don't stand there and tell me that you're all I need. I love you, but I don't believe. I don't believe. Thank you so much. This next song that we're gonna play, the song is called "I Should Go." It's actually our favorite song to play live. It is mine. Is it yours?
I guess so.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
If you say so. It's mine and Keegan, our drummer, who's not here, so he doesn't get a vote actually. So yeah, this song, actually, our drummer suggested the idea. He wanted a song about. So it's a breakup song. So this actually is about a girl. So you know, like when you come towards the end of the relationship, right? There comes a stage where like you still love the person, but like you feel like you got to let them go. And that's what this song is about. This song is called "I Should Go." Hope you like it. It's out on Spotify. Go check it out. How did we get so quiet? How do we cut so deep? Why do you look so tired? Why can't I seem to sleep? Why do we seem so empty? How do we hurt so slow? If you could say you loved me, would I still feel alone? I still want to hold you. You look so torn. I know I still need you, but I can't go on. Maybe it's too late. Should we walk away? There's no reason we should stay. Should not go to what we got. Do you still believe we could find our feet? I just think that I should go. How did we get so complicated? You know I never thought we'd be something so cold and small and angry. I can't remember how to breathe. I still want to hold you, but it's all gone wrong. I know I still need you, but I can't go on. Maybe it's too late. Should we walk away? There's no reason we should stay. What you've done, look at what we've become. Do you still believe we could find our feet? I just think that I should go on. I keep on thinking we could heal, but it's too late, it's all so real. We've gotta face the truth, 'cause we're already gone. Maybe it's too late. Should we walk away? There's no reason we should stay. Do you still believe we could find our feet? I just think that I should go. I just think that I should go. Thank you. This song is the reason I couldn't sing when I lost my voice the last time for this gig. Goodness me. Okay, so we're a pop punk slash emo band. We usually play to crowds a lot less cultured than this. So we like to do we like to do a special mosh pit at every gig that we play, including our acoustic shows. So today we are doing a sitting down mosh pit. All right, so if you could turn to the people on your left and right, look at them and say hi. All right, can y'all practice pushing each other a little bit, like a little sharp? There we go. Yes, gently. This is a cultured establishment after all. Anyway, so this next song is called "Throw My Breath Away." This is a song that Glenn wrote mostly, and then I wrote lyrics over it. Yeah, the song is about stubborn people.
Indeed.
Yes. Hope you enjoy it, and sitting down mosh pit, remember guys. Right.
Crowd surfing too, please.
Oh yeah, if y'all can. Alright,
I don't have enough words, but let's go.
let's go. If I could find you your answer, would you have nothing to hold? If things were better than ever, would we be broken and cold? It's not okay, and I just needed to say I don't understand, and I don't know why you can't just let this go. Do you even believe that you ever wanted me? 'Cause I don't wanna wait while you throw my breath away. Does this make a difference to you? If you had a reason to stay, would you leave? I can't tell. tell you who to be, to be, to be. Okay, sitting down mosh pit. Let's go, everyone. Ready, ready, ready. I don't understand, and I don't know why you can't just let this go. Do you even believe that you ever wanted me? 'Cause I don't wanna wait while you throw my breath away. I don't understand, and I don't really care. Could you just pretend? 'Cause I don't wanna wait while you throw my breath away. Did you enjoy the sitting down mosh pit? Was it fun?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm
We tried
glad.
our best.
Yes, I saw. We appreciate it. Thank you. It made us feel very
Thank you
loved.
for entertaining us.
Every gig we go and we ask people to do something stupid, and it's always something different. So and then we just kind of watch on stage and see how people follow our instructions. I think the last gig. What was the last gig? Oh,
The space.
we had a space themed mosh pit, a rocket ship mosh pit. We asked people to carry other people around to be rocket ships and fly into each other. It was great. Okay, so we have so we released our first EP last year, and we have been working on our second one. So the song you heard earlier, "I Don't Believe," is going to be the first single. We have this. We have the second single ready as well, but we haven't been playing it a lot because Keegan hasn't been around. So once he comes back in December, we'll be playing it a lot, as well as other songs we've written. So this song is called "Can't Do This." This song is like, the story behind this song, right, is that so when I was in the army, right, I don't know how many of y'all have been in the army, but so in the army, right, myself and the other people I was with, we were basically getting abused by like a person who is in a much higher position of authority than us. So yeah, and like we couldn't get out of it because your choices are follow or go to jail, right? So basically, I felt every day that my life was shit, and I hoped every day that I would drop dead and die. So that's what this song is about. Yeah, we'll be putting it out probably early next year.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
If you don't die.
If we don't die. No, it was a while back, so I'm good now. Anyway, the song is called "Can't Do This." Hope you enjoy it. Late nights and quiet fights are just another expectation. You warned me this was just the start. Quick cuts and empty eyes, I don't know how this could have happened. Is this the way it had to go? 'Cause I can't do this. Let me sing, let me drown. It will be your blessing. I don't even care. Let me break, let me bleed, let me fall to pieces. I'm beyond repair, and I can't do this. Rewrite the things I said, they never mattered to your meaning. How long before I wake alone? I'm not the reason that every life you lead is broken. Don't try to say that I'm the one who used to need. Maybe you could tell me what you wanted me to be. 'Cause I can't do this. let me sink, let me drown. It will be a blessing. I don't even care. Let me break, let me bleed, let me fall to pieces. I'm beyond repair, and I can't do this. I don't need much to carry on. Just the thought that I'll be gone. Could you do me a favor and tear me down? 'Cause I can't do this. Let me sink, let me drown. It will be a blessing. I don't even care. Let me break, let me bleed, let me fall to pieces. I'm beyond repair, and I can't do this. Thank you. Thank you. The song's called Can't Do This. So, sorry, I'm gonna put this here. So, basically, if you recall, Bass was saying earlier, right? We were supposed to play a gig here in March, where Floral Skies kindly helped to take over us, and the main reason for that is because I lost my voice. So we've come up with a backup plan for it.
Trevor came up with a backup plan.
Glenn, no ownership. Glenn wants no part of this plan.
I wonder why.
I wonder why. Alright, great. So I built a talk box. So basically what this is, right, is like the keyboard, right? It sends the sound into this, which is a speaker. And then there's a tube over here where the sound comes out. And then I put it in my mouth and I can shape the words. Like okay. So today we are doing a talk box version of one of our songs, which is called Character Development. This song is about like when people keep coming back to you with the same problems over and over again. And they just need some fucking character development, man. Like at some point the problem is you know? Thank you. Not sure if you'll hear any of the lyrics today, but you can check it out on Spotify if you're feeling particularly angry at anybody. Alright!
Alright, let's go.
Aren't you excited? Hang on, I got transpose, hang on. I think it sounds better than the original.
Sure.
Glenn was the #1 supporter of this plan.
Yes.
We can tell.
Alright. Is that the cat?
Yes.
We made the cat cry.
Getting hungry.
Yeah. Okay, anyway, we are down to our last song. Thank you so much for hanging about and listening. If you'd like to see us play with our regular setup, we are playing 2 gigs in January. We're playing one on January 24th at Wumo's single release. We think if they can get their act together and book the venue. And and we are playing another gig on the 17th of January with Forrest and Zackfire. That will be at Riot Entertainment. So thank you. We hope that when we see you next, we'll be very famous. That's the dream. And yeah, we hope we get to play overseas this year. Thank you so much to Baz again for having us here. And thank you to all of you for listening to us. This is our last song. This is the first song we ever wrote. This song is called Alone. Hope you enjoy it. I'm tired of talking about it. Is it so hard to think that maybe I've moved on? I just wish that you would let me be. What will it take to get you to finally see? You keep pulling me back. You've got nothing that I lack. I just wanna be alone. I just wanna be alone. You keep dragging me down, but I don't wanna be your clown. I just wanna be alone. I just wanna be alone. Why do you think that this is something I should care about? Don't you doubt that I will cut you out of my life. This was something I had buried. There was no need to go digging. You should let this die. I don't have time to care what you think. You keep pulling me back, but you've got nothing that I lack. I just wanna be alone. I just wanna be alone. You keep dragging me down, but I don't wanna be your clown. I just wanna be alone. I just wanna be alone. stop calling, you would stop asking me to be there. I don't know how you dare to call yourself a hero, but I don't wanna know. I just wanna be alone. 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 Thank you so much, guys.